I'm often asked, what are the best ways that I can look after my garment? And it's for this reason we've created this video talking specifically on suits, how best to maintain, care for and increase the longevity of your beautiful tailored suits. There are a number of different things that can be done. Depending on your level of patience and commitment, how many of these you follow is entirely up to you. Firstly, cleaning. Now, it's always highly recommended that whenever you need to clean your suit, it's taken to a professional dry cleaner. Your tailor will be best to guide you towards which is the right dry cleaner for your garment. However, regular dry cleaning will in fact harm your garment. It should be done sparingly, once, maybe twice a year at a push. Wool, cashmere and silk are all animal fibres which possess a self-cleaning property, provided the garment is left to air in between wears. Organic materials such as linen and cotton are moisture wicking. This means that any moisture held within the fabric will evaporate quickly, as moisture is one factor that will deteriorate a garment quite quickly. The frequency to which you wear your garment should be limited, perhaps once or twice a week if possible. This will allow for any moisture that is retained within the garment to effectively evaporate between wears. Something you may do more frequently than dry cleaning is what's called a spot clean. If there is a particular stubborn stain, warm water with a very light detergent will lift the stain without the need for dry cleaning. A dry cleaner can of course do this as well. It is inevitable that your garment will crease, regardless of the fabric. We do produce and offer fabrics that are crease resistant, but not 100%. It's for this reason that you need to understand how to handle creases. There are a number of things that you can do. A good steam generator or steamer will lift creases, ensuring not to press the hot iron onto the fabric. Iron from a slight distance using steam. If it is a particularly delicate fabric, perhaps use a cloth in between the iron and the fabric, so not to damage it. The way in which you hang a garment will help with this also. A hanger for a jacket that has shoulders will offer structure and shape for those shoulders. If you can afford the space, separate the trousers from the jacket, hanging them from the hem. Hanging the trousers from the hem means that the weight of the waistband will keep that centre crease beautifully straight. It will also lift any of the whiskers that you can find at the back of the knee, ready for you the next time you wear it. When you aren't wearing your suit, make sure it's hung in a dry, dust-free wardrobe, using a hanger with shoulders and ideally kept within its suit carrier. A common complaint are moths. Now, prevention is far better than the cure in this case. You can prevent moths through use of lavender kept in the wardrobe or cedarwood, ensuring it's not actually on the garment but in and around it, as it acts as a repellent. Hopefully what we've outlined there is useful, helpful and will gain a few more years out of your tailoring. Comment below if there's anything I've missed that in your opinion and from your experience has worked. Until then, see you next time.